What's going on, people of YouTube? My name is Zenith, and today I got something special for you guys. NZXT is doing a special program where you can build your own PC. It's not going to be a custom build, it's going to be a pre-build. Don't get me wrong, I like my custom built PCs, but this is going to be the best chance you get to get a great PC for the price, due to the Bitcoin miners and the smartphone industry sucking up all the RAM. All the prices has gone up. So you're going to look down in the description and you're going to see this link, and it'll take you to the site. And before we get started with this, I'm going to tell you right now that there's a $99 fee, but with that $99 fee, you get a 2-year warranty, free shipping, performance guaranteed, and 48-hour shipping. So that's great. Most places are, I know most places you go to are different, and $99 is a great price for that whole bundle. So we're going to get started. When you get to this part, you're going to have to pick 3 different games. So we're going to pick Battlefield 1, gotta have PUBG, and we're going to play some Overwatch because I love Overwatch. And before we do that, we're actually going to pick 1080p because we have the 1440p option, but we're not going to really do that because it's going to make our price go up, and we want to kind of get a cheaper build. Alright, so you're going to have 3 different prices: $750, $1250, and $2500. We're going to go with the $750 price tag, and we're going to go with AMD. So it shows you the frame rate you're going to get for these games. And keep in mind, this is on 1080p, high settings, ultra settings. So we have the NZXT S340 Elite, AMD Ryzen 5 1600, and the EVGA GTX 1050 Ti. Also 8 GB of RAM with a Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive. That's pretty good, but I know you see that price, and it's because it's really wanting to give you a price that's around the original price that you select. So I know this is quite a bit more than what we clicked on, but that's simply because it wants you to give you the right performance for the games you selected. But you could also lower the price, but we're going to keep it the same to get that performance. 38 frames is going to change when you lower the resolution. It's not really to me, it's not really a big deal. If it's a big deal to you guys, you can raise the price tag up, but that frame rate seems to be fine so far. So you could change the ins and outs of the PC if you want to change up a few things, but I'm going to keep it the same and let the build website do the magic and go to colors. And as you can see, it also lets you customize the color of your case. So I like the black and white builds, but you could also do this for $100 extra, which is not for me because I don't like to have color in my PC except for the RGB lights. So I'm gonna go with a white, and we're gonna go on white with white and black cable mods. Okay, so this is the final review layout, and as you can see, the price $1,118.90. It adds up everything, even the $99 additional costs, and it's all put together. You got support with your PC, everything you need. This is the best way to go so far. There's not really another alternative to this crisis we have in the PC industry. But I hope this video helped you out, guys. I hope you utilize this and get you a brand new PC from this, because NZXT is doing a great job with it, and they know the ins and outs of PC. I mean, of course they make the components for our custom builds. So if you like the video, leave a like down below, leave a comment down below if you have any questions. My name is Zenith, and like always, I'll see you guys at the top.